Now behind me, another one of the vehicles for the classic auction is one that I'm kind of excited for because it is such a unique vehicle. I kind of like things that are a bit more on the odd side, and this definitely takes the cake, especially for me. Let's check it out. And here we have a 1980 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. But the kicker of it, which makes it really interesting, especially for me, is the fact it's a diesel. So it has the 350 V8 diesel, and it being an Eldorado is front wheel drive and Biarritz trim, so it's got the stainless roof. Now back here in the trunk there are some parts in there, and the soft close hood mechanism is actually broken, so the trunk isn't completely kind of secure, but I just need to put a new motor on there and it'll be fine. But yeah, you see Biarritz, the top does need to be replaced, but I believe there is one in the trunk. So we get inside. For some reason the sun visors don't want to stay up, but and there we go. There's diesel fuel gauge right there. Another really cool thing this thing has is the factory CB radio. Got the sea of simulated wood. They sure did love to do this in the 80s. Got Twilight Sentinel, cruise control, tilt, and telescoping steering. Let's see. Electronic automatic climate control and 8-track, of course. And then under the hood is the 5.7 liter or 350 V8 diesel. See, there's the injectors. The injection pump is under there, and the intake and the V. Let's start it up and listen to the fabulous clatter of these old 80s diesels. And another thing about this, because I know that the glow plug controllers on these can be a little finicky, and a lot of times people just bypass it. So somebody did actually put a button right here to bypass the glow plugs, but it is warmed up, so it should just start. The batteries are a little bit low. I've been trying to get them charged. The car's been sitting for a little bit, but it does start up. And there it is. Now let's take it for a drive back to the shop. And like a lot of the other older cars that I've been doing these videos of, this does have power steering, so it's a little bit easier to drive one-handed. Go this way this time. There you go. There's the 1980 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz diesel. Pretty interesting, and these days, pretty rare car. You really don't see a lot of these old GM 350 V8 diesels anymore. They did make them for quite a while, from I think 77, 78-ish until 1985. I know mid-year 85 productions when they pulled the plug on the diesel engines, but they are pretty unique, and when you see them, they're very fascinating. Anyways, there you go.